Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a good news for you. So here we go. Ta-da! I received my Google AdSense PIN number. So before we put in the PIN online, so please, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Let's go, guys! Yay! Here we go, guys. I'm gonna open this one, the Google AdSense letter, so we can see our PIN number. Let's see. So remove this side. This one, this side. Go. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So it says here the instruction, you have to sign into your AdSense account and find the PIN verification card on your home page. And then you have to enter the PIN exactly as it appears on the right and click submit. And then I think further instructions are available here, so you have to, if you need more instruction, so there's a website. Please note that we will stop serving ads through your account if you do not use this PIN to verify your address within 4 months. Okay, so we have to do this now. Hey guys, so it says here I have to Google AdSense, log into the Google AdSense account. Next. Okay, and then I have to verify. So this is what it looks like when you log in. So here your payments are on hold because you need to verify your address. So you have to click this one here, this one. So action. Okay, and then this one. So this is the part that you have to go. Okay, so here we're gonna put the PIN number here. So and then click submit. Alright, and I think that's it. Yes, I think that's it for entering. See, it says here complete. Action verification complete. So now it's complete. So already did my identity verification way before, and then also this one for the PIN, so it's already completed. So now, yeah, it still says here your payments are on hold because you need to verify your address. So it's still showing, but every time you click here the action, still showing this one, so maybe later this one will disappear because we already completed. Yeah, completed. So now I have to sign up. So that's it, all done. There you go. So all done. That's it. I think that's it for my vlog tonight. I hope it can also guide you step by step when you receive your Google AdSense pin in the future. But once again, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.